Every year, hundreds of Tibetan teenagers graduate from high schools and colleges, making a space for our Tibetan inspirational adolescents in this is not only difficult but also relies on Charles Darwin's law of survival of the fittest. Tibetan Private ITI was established in the year 2000 under the kind care of Tibetan Children Village to provide Tibetan youths with the opportunity to learn and excel professionally so that they can step up and move forward in life by shouldering with the world. We learn, we practice, we build, we stand. This is our vision, and we are highly committed and obliged to make your dreams come true with professional skills we offer, the facilities we provide, qualified faculties we have. Tibetan Private ITI Dehradun is affiliated to the Directorate General of Training and Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and National Council of Vocational Training. It had stood at triumphal rank of 4th among all the 104 ITI in the Uttarakhand state in year 2012. If you are a vision-oriented and want to excel professionally, to drive your life a turn towards success, then what are you waiting for? Come join us and mark the starting point of your career success from here. Get trained and reach out to the pinnacle of your dreams. We welcome you and get yourself registered here.